Hi there, Mila Lansdowne with some thoughts to self-empowerment. My intention is to help you to feel your power, be in the state of self-empowerment, independent of what the conditions around are or the people are saying, economy is doing, whatever it is. And I would like to talk about something that may help you to stay focused on your goals. And it's simple, it's easy. For one, I assume you have a goal. And I will be talking about writing the goal in the right way in another clip. But now it is about understanding that the results that you see, and they may not be making you happy. The results we see right now around in our lives are the results of action and the thinking and decisions from the past. Because there is the process, right? We see something we want to do, we take the action, and then it takes time. We live in this three-dimensional world where there is time and space. But it is important that you realize that what you see in your results, and if you are not happy with that, understand that this is the result of my past thinking and my past decisions. And the important thing is that what I am thinking right now creates my future results. So I urge you right now, ask yourself, what do I really love to have, to be, to do? Ask yourself right now. Answer it. Okay. And the next step, and I learned that from Peggy McCall and from Neville and from all these teachers who tell you that emotions and thoughts must be in alignment. We need to be in alignment, not thinking about, I want to be, published author, and in our heart doubt it at the right moment. No, we need alignment of mind and heart, emotions, and the way we evaluate our now. And here I urge you to hold on a couple times in a day, at least mornings and evenings, and think about, what do I want? Clear. And how does it feel? And hold on to that feeling. That's the way we create the burning desire that is propelling us toward the goal and makes us to feel so excited about life and achieve our goals and enjoy every step, because we notice the cooperative components coming to us, the information, people, events, and so on. So this is my today's tip, and do it now. Okay, have fun. This is Mila. You're born to thrive.